This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
So we have this menu stuff, yeah. And let's say I want to add something like link. We have to add some kind of link. I would like to open my test website into a different mode. Now redirect stuff. Then to avoid all this. Okay. And let's say I want it to slide to this block, yeah. I just choose this block. And I see the ID. Or this one, yeah. I mean, this ID should work as well. And I just add some kind of like contact. And I add the URL external like this. I hit save. And let's test it. So on click, I should be in the bottom of my page. I'm sorry for this. Let's do it again. Not working for some reason. Wait a sec. Let's try with a different ID. Maybe it will work. Yeah. It works now. You see, it works perfectly. And another step, you might want to change the behavior to scroll it like not that fast. Then
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.